Alright, let's get into it. In this video, we're going over how to link our Excel worksheets, charts, graphs into Microsoft Word. So first, I'm just going to have to open up Word. Let that load real quick. So I'm just going to choose blank document. Let me close this real quick. Choose a blank document. And what I'm going to do is copy and paste this graph that I have from the Excel sheet. So I'm going to go to the Excel sheet. I'm going to copy that income statement I have, this chart, and I'm going to paste that into our Word document. I'm just going to press Control V to paste. As you can see, it pastes all right, but it's not exactly how it was in Excel. Some of the spacing is different. Like operating expenses, now you see stacked on top of each other. I'm going to add an extra row and space in between everything. And also, one of the problems with this is you can't update Excel. You have to update all your numbers in this word chart. So I'm going to real quick just get to another blank page. So I'm scrolling down real quick. And I'm going to do it again. So we're going to go back to our Excel worksheet. Still being copied the chart that we want. So Control C. And I'm going to hit, instead of hitting Control V just to paste, I'm going to go to Home tab. I'm going to go to Paste. And I'm going to go to Paste Special. Now I'm going to go to paste link, and I'm going to go to Microsoft Excel worksheet object. So now you can see we even have the grid lines in the background. It looks pretty much exactly how it looked in our Excel worksheet. And if I go back to our worksheet and I update this, so I'm going to say update 2017 revenues from 55,000, and I'm going to update that to 65,000. Now when we go back into our Word document, you can see that 2017 revenues was updated as well because it's being linked back to that Excel worksheet. So we can just make our updates in Excel. So if we have to go back to our graphs, our charts, anything that we need to do, and we realize we made mistakes, as we update that Excel table, our Word document will get updated. But you see in the very first copy paste link that we did, that number didn't get updated. That revenue for 2017 didn't. So this is how you can link work from Excel into Word, which is better, especially if you know you might still be making updates and that's not finalized. And you can see everything will get updated exactly, and you don't have to make updates in Excel, then go back and make updates in Word. So once again, that's just linking Excel into a Word doc.